Hello student, myself Digant Sakhewala, I am your science sir. Today we will continue chapter number 4, carbon and its compound. First we will learn today functional group. The atom or group of atom which is responsible for the physical and chemical property of organic compound or hydrocarbon compound is called a functional group. Before learning functional group, we will learn about the alkyl group. Functional group, an atom or group of atom which when present gives specific property to it is called the functional group. So you can see here specific properties means what? Physical property and the chemical property. Okay. Alkyl group. The group formed by removal of one hydrogen atom from an alkane molecule is called an alkyl group. So from the alkane CnH2n plus 2, when we remove one hydrogen, then we get the alkyl group. Alkyl group is CnH2n plus 1. Okay, we remove one hydrogen. Alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Example is given methane. We know that methane formula is CH4. When we remove one hydrogen, then we are writing CH3. Here we draw one line. It indicates that we remove one hydrogen. So for this carbon atom, one valency is remaining. So it indicates the one valency is remaining. Methane to methyl. Ethane is C2H6. As we remove one hydrogen, we are writing C2H5. Here one line is indicating that one valency is remaining. Propane, we remove one hydrogen, C3H8, we remove one hydrogen, so we get propyl, C3H7. Same way here line is drawn. Okay, now the alkyl group is represented by what? Capital R. In physics, R indicate resistance. In maths, R related with the numbers. But here R is what? Alkyl group. Its common formula is CnH2n plus 1. Okay. The free line shown on the carbon atom of an alkyl group means that one valency of carbon atom is free and alkyl group. Okay. So here you can see that dash are there. Methyl, ethyl, propyl. In that dash is present or alkyl. It indicates that one valency of carbon atom is free in the alkyl group. Now dear student, we are switching on the functional group. Functional group, how we can add in the alkane when we remove one hydrogen from the alkane. As we remove the one hydrogen from the alkane, we get alkyl group. Okay, so here we are going to learn about the alcohol OH group when we add, aldehyde CHO group, ketones means CO group. It is CO group is present between two alkyl group, carboxylic acid that is called COOH group, sulfonic acid that is called SO3H. Okay, and halo group means halogen group, chlorine, fluorine, bromine and iodine. When we are adding in the alkane, then we get a different compound. As well as we will learn about the ester group that is called COO group. We will learn about the ether group, that is O is present between the two alkyl group, and we will learn about the amide group that is called CONH group. Okay, so one by one we will learn. Functional group, molecular formula and example. Alcohol means OH. When we add the OH in the alkyl group, then we get ROH. Example is CH3CH2OH. How many carbon atom is present? 2. Okay, and it is ethyl, so it is called ethyl alcohol. Okay, ethyl alcohol is the common name. IUPAC name is what? Ethanol. We will learn also IUPAC name. IUPAC name means what? International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. Aldehyde group is called CHO group. CHO group is attached with the R, then it is called aldehyde group. Okay, example is CH3CHO. How many carbon atom is present? 2. 2 are present, so it is called ethanol. Here we have to add suffix anal, ethanol. Okay, its common name is acetaldehyde. IUPAC name is what? Ethanol. Ketone, in that we have to add the suffix anon. Okay, CO group is present. Okay, so CO group is present between 2 methyl, 1, 2 and 3 propanol. Okay, propanol is the IUPAC name and the common name is what? Acetone, nail polish remover. Carboxylic acid means COOH group. Okay, here we can see that COOH group is present, and COOH group is present, then we have to add the suffix oic acid. How many carbon atom? 2 carbon atom. Ethane, we have to add the suffix oic, so ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is the IUPAC name and the common name is acetic acid. What we are using vinegar at home, that is what? Acetic acid or ethanoic acid. Sulfonic acid is present in the detergent, long chain of carbon atom in that detergent in that use. Halo group is called the chlorine, fluorine, bromine and iodine. They are called the halogen group, 17 group element. So when they combine with the alkane, then we get the chloroalkane, fluoroalkane, bromoalkane. Okay, so you can see that RCl, RBr, RF. Okay, example is given CH3, CH2, Cl. Two carbon atom is present, so it is called ethyl chloride. This is ethyl chloride is the common name, and IUPAC name is what? Chloroethane. Dear student, we have two name. One name is maybe official name and second name is our nickname. Same way all the compound has two name. One is IUPAC name, International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry, and other is what? Common name. Dear student, we are going to learn about the homologous series. Homologous series is possible in the alkane, alkene and alkyne. Other compound in that also possible. Alcohol in that also possible. Okay, or in the halogen group in that also possible, but mainly we will learn about the alkane, alkene and alkyne. Here the difference between two successive member is CH2 unit. Okay, the weight of the CH2 unit is 14 unit because carbon is 12, CH2 in that one carbon is present and two hydrogen is present. One hydrogen weight is 1 and two hydrogen is present, so it is 2, so 12 plus 2 14 units. So between two successive member in alkane, alkene or alkyne, the weight difference is 14 unit, and this type of series is called the homologous series. A series of organic compound having the similar properties in which the successive member differ by CH2 unit. CH2 we can write 12 plus 2 equals to 14 unit. Unit is called the homologous series. Characteristic of homologous series: two successive member of the series differ by the CH2 group. Okay, so you can check any two. If you select any two, then difference is what? CH2 unit. You can see here CH2 unit, all the difference. All the members of homologous series show the similar chemical properties. Remember, dear student, they have the homologous series, they have the similar chemical properties, but the number of carbon atoms are different, then they have the different physical property, like that boiling point and melting point is what? Different. In homologous series, the molecular mass of member increases with increasing number of carbon atom, and the molecular mass differ by the 14 unit between the two successive member. Okay, so as we are going top to down in the alkane, methane, ethane, propane, butane, the number of carbon atoms are increases. How many they are increases? By the CH2 unit. Okay, and weight of the CH2 unit is what? 14 unit. Okay, so as we are going top to down, methane to ethane, the difference is CH2. Okay, and difference is what? 14 units. Same way it is possible in alkene and the alkyne also. Member of a homologous series show gradual change in their physical properties like boiling point, melting point, solubility and etc. Their chemical properties are almost same, but physical properties like boiling point, melting point and solubilities are different, like methane, ethane, propane, butane. The difference is CH2 unit, their properties are different. Initially methane is available in the gaseous form. As we are going down, then the butane, pentane, they are somewhat, we are getting liquid property. At last we are getting solid compound. Same way we get about the alkene and the alkyne. Now we will study here homologous series of alkane. First, one carbon atom is present, we get methane. Okay, second carbon we can say that C2H6. Now if we take the difference of ethane and methane, then unit difference is how much? CH2 unit. Okay, same way if we take the difference of propane and the ethane, then the difference is CH2 unit. If we take the difference of butane C4H10 and propane C3H8, then the difference is CH2 unit. So the series in which the difference between two successive member is CH2 unit, that is called the homologous series. Same way here, homologous series in the alkene, if the number of carbon atom is 2, then this is called ethene. Number of carbon atom is 3, then here we get propene. Now suppose we find the difference between them, the difference is CH2 unit. It indicates that between these two organic compounds, the difference is CH2 unit. Same way if we take about the butene and propene, the difference is CH2 unit. It indicates that the alkene is what? Homologous series between two successive members, the difference is CH2 unit. Homologous series of the alkyne, if two carbon atom is present, then it is called C2H2, that is called ethyne. If 3 carbon atom is present, then C3H4, it is called the propyne. If we find the difference between them, then we get CH2 unit. If we are finding the difference between the butane and the propane, we get the unit difference is CH2 unit. It indicates that in the alkyne series we get the CH2 unit difference, so this is also the homologous series. So dear student, today we learn about the functional group, the atom or group of atom which is responsible for the chemical properties and the physical property of the molecule, organic compound is called the functional group. We learn about the alkyl group. When we remove one hydrogen from the alkane, then we get the alkyl group. We learn about the functional group, different functional group we learn here, as well as we learn about the homologous series in the alkane, alkene and alkyne. So this is all about the today's portion. Thank you so much.